Hey guys, I am pinching these gorgeous pepper plants, so I want to take you with me and show you and tell you a little bit about why we do this. So some people also call it topping the plants. Basically right now these gorgeous pepper plants direct all their energy into growing up. What I want to tell the plant is slow down, buddy. Let's work on developing a really good root system that can support many branches. And to do that, what I'm going to do is basically cut the top of the plant, and then it will direct the energy more into developing a better root system, and at the end it will be bushier and lower. Bushier meaning more stems. Instead of one stem that is going up, we'll have more stems that spread to the sides. More stems means more flowers means more peppers. So let me get you closer and show you how I do this. Okay, so here is a gorgeous pepper plant right here. You can see that there is a little sprout starting in between the leaf and the main stem. But the plant really right now is directing all of its energy to growing this stem. So what I want to do is just use sharp tomato clippers or pruners. These are the best to use for this kind of job. And then on an angle, I'm just going to make a clear cut and top the plant. Now I know this can look a little scary, but this is what you want. From here, this will become a branch, this will become a branch, this will become a branch. So instead of this plant having just one main stem, we're now going to have multiple stems. And all you got to do right now is just make sure that it's getting enough nutrients and water, and it will grow to become a bushier and a higher producing plant.